Hello everyone, my name is Liana, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to create a fundraising campaign graphic for social media using Canva. So today I'm going to be focusing specifically on the philanthropy I mentioned in my website, which is my dedication to volunteer work here at Rutgers through my sorority, Phi Sigma Sigma. We work very closely with the Embrace Kids Foundation, which is local to New Brunswick. So I want to show you guys a little bit about my contribution to the Rutgers University Dance Marathon, which is an event that's held every year and multiple organizations attend. So today I'm going to be showing all of you guys how to create a graphic that could be shared on social media, any platform really, to kind of show users what the event might be about and how to donate and work with local organizations using a direct link that will make it very easy to do so. So the first thing you're going to want to access is the Canva website, which is super easy to do. You just log in with your email. And then I'm going to go over here and click Create. Now what I want to do is search up social media post, and I'm going to click this photo collage for social media. That way it can be easily formatted to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or emailed as a graphic. So once that loads, you can go ahead and name it. I'm just going to say campaign graphic right here. And then we can work on the design aspect. For the elements, you have a bunch of different options. I am personally going to click Uploads, and then over here you can upload photos. For today, I'm going to be using photos that I took at last year's Rutgers University Dance Marathon, where I was able to attend with all of my sorority sisters and participate. You can also access the organization that you're making the graphic for's website, and they should have photos up for you to use. So it's very easy to navigate Canva. All you could do is just click the photo and then size it to make sure that it fits right. So here you can kind of work a little bit on designing it to your preference. I am just going to add a few photos that I think encapsulate the event as a whole and what some people might want to see to get a little bit more familiar with what happens at the event. Alright, perfect. So once you have all of your photos in, you can go ahead and add other elements. Now I'm just going to click over here. We've got a shape I could use. I can use these tools right up here to change the color of it. Then you can add text right into this little element over here. I'm clicking text, add a heading, and then right there you have the ability to type. Now you can write any message you'd like. For this one, I might leave it as a simple photographic and then caption the post with more words or less words if desired. So for this one, we could just say, be sure to donate. All proceeds go to the Embrace Kids Foundation. From here, as we can see, the font is a little bit large. You can go ahead and size it to your liking. I'm just going to make sure that it fits right here in this purple circle that we created so that it's visually appealing and easy for everyone to access. Alright, once you get it fitted into there, I'm going to go ahead and just click up here. I'm going to highlight the words. Once the text is highlighted, there's this little click right here which has a link. I'm going to go ahead and open up the Embrace Kids Foundation website. From here, I have opened up the link where you can donate. As we see, it's very simple. You can just choose the gift that you want to donate if you want to sign up monthly, the amount that you'd like, if you'd like to dedicate the gift, all of that. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the link for this. Alrighty, so once your link is copied, you are then going to highlight once again, and I'm going to hit link right here, and I'm just going to click paste. Comes up as a link, and once you hit that, it is completely linked. And from there, you are able to just click this, and all viewers and audiences will be able to directly donate. From there, you can go ahead and hit share on Canva super easily. You can download it. Let's say you want to make it a PNG, so you can just save it to your camera roll and then upload it to your Instagram story or share it on Facebook or send out an email. As we see, it pops up. Open it in another window, and here we go. I have the graphic all saved, and from there you're able to share this and really just make sure that everyone has access. I hope this was super helpful with the tutorial I gave you guys. I just really wanted to emphasize how important it is to share this type of work and how it's super simple to create a graphic like this and use your own types of photos and kind of promote your own different campaigns or see what kind of local organizations you can get involved with in your community. I really do encourage everyone to find something that they could be a part of, even if it's as simple as donating on a link or becoming involved in a larger organization project. Thank you all so much for watching.